Okay, let's do another example with conditional formatting. In this case, let's say I'm running an item writing workshop and I have a set of item writers uh, creating items according to this needed column. We need a certain number of items to meet each of the sections and objectives of the test. We have a certain number written so far, and I want to be able to show the group uh, how much progress we've made, and be able to identify which objectives really need more items written. So I could figure that out. One way to do that is I could just calculate the percentage of items that have been written in each of those sections. So divide written by needed. Select this column, fill down, Control D. On a PC anyway. And so we have those numbers there now. And so we have some information, we have more information than we had before, but that's not at a glance really easy to tell what's going on. So again, we can use conditional formatting to help us out here. So I have the data in column E selected. Click conditional formatting, go to data bars, and this time I'm going to do solid fill. So it creates a little bar that fills up the cell as it gets closer to the maximum value. So it'll be empty at the minimum value, full at the maximum value. I don't really like having the text in the background here. So what I can do is highlight that area again, go to conditional formatting and manage rules. I can see the rule I have in place here with my bar. I can edit that, and if I turn off this setting, show bar, if I turn on this checkbox, I should say, show bar only, it'll hide the values in column E. While I'm here, I want to change these minimums and maximums to 0 and 1, because I know I have percents, and I want and I know they're going to go from 0 to 1, 0% complete to 100% complete. So I want to use those values instead of the defaults. Click OK and apply. OK again. And there we go. We have some nice bars showing us how much we have complete. I'd like to add a little extra information here. I want to give a special emphasis to the cases where we have a section that's finished, like that for objective 3.1 and 3.3, or an objective that has very few completed. Say less than 20% complete. So I'll go to select the same section again, go to conditional formatting. This time I'm going to do icon sets. I'm going to use this checkbox X set. And click that, and it gives me some additional icons on here. And I think it's a little too busy with that, and it doesn't correspond with the rule that I want. So I'm going to highlight that, go to Manage Rules, select my icon set, and I'm going to edit that rule. Again, I'm going to show icon only. I don't want those numbers to come back up. And I'm going to apply my own set of rules here. So you can see that we have working with percents. So if a value is 100%, I want there to be a checkbox. If it's less than 100% and greater than 20%, I don't think we really need we don't need an icon there. So I can click on this drop-down box and click No Cell Icon. When it's less than 20%, in this case I want to use that exclamation point again. Click OK. OK again. Then now we have our icons. I don't like them centered there, so I'll highlight those cells and right justify it. And now we have bars that show a running tally of the progress. And once they get complete, we get a check mark. We have exclamation points identifying sections and objectives that need many more items.